Alright guys, so pretty much we're rolling, going to South Carolina to fix this heavy equipment, broom bucket. The thinnest part right now is the part with the Bobcat logo on it. That's like 1/8 inch. The guy told me it was 1/4, but the only side that's actually a 1/4 is on the opposite side. That's the thickest part of the metal. Right now I'm cleaning and prepping it up. I didn't have too much time to show welding or anything. But so really with this, guys, you got to keep most of your heat on the thickest part so you don't burn through the steel, the thin 1/8 inch. I used 1/8 inch 7018. I welded it uphill in the bucket. I had to clean all that dirt and debris out and get as clean as possible. Ran a hot pass, closed up the gap, and this is what the final product looked like. I know it's not pretty, but I mean it'll hold. And as far as welding on thin metal, and I knew that it needed to be really strong because it endures a lot of vibration.
What's up, everybody? This is the welding machine coming to you guys with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna have a customer project job up here. It's a short clip because it was kind of hard to record and I had to get all the way out to South Carolina, a long drive to go do this project. But so yeah, and then I got another video coming up for you guys. You might like this. I'm gonna flip the camera around, and we got a Harbor Freight, I don't know how you say it. This would be like a Harbor Freight buy. We're gonna do a review on all of this stuff, and a lot of stuff I'm gonna be able to use, so y'all stay tuned. Guys, so this is our Harbor Freight load of stuff that we bought. We got the stand, a roller stand for the bandsaw, chain hoist 2-ton, so that'd be roughly about 4,000 pound capacity. A 2-ton push beam trolley, that's 4,000 pound capacity. A trailer jack for the trailer, rubber gloves, and a hose, air hose reel that we're going to use for the welding leads. So that's what we got so far. And if you walk over here to the blue trailer, what we got is this. This is what the I-beam roller is going to go on. It's going to go on this I-beam that I got from job. And underneath that, everything, I got this piece of steel I bought for bumpers. It's still here, but then underneath that you got the square tube in the back right there, and pretty much the I-beam is going to be sitting on top of that, or I haven't figured it out yet, with how the I-beam and everything's going to be set up. And it's going to have wheels and stuff, so I still got to buy the wheels. I might have a YouTuber help me out because he's got a hoist, a crane hoist. I'm not going to say his name yet. I got to ask him first to see if he'll do it, if he'll help me out. But so yeah, all this stuff, guys, from Harbor Freight, all together it was like 200 bucks. So I gotta talk to him, ask him if he'll help me out if I need his help. I probably will. I mean, that'd be a good idea. But you guys stay tuned, and we're gonna do a little bit of welding in a minute. Peace. What's up, y'all? It's the welding machine coming back with another video. Bam. There's the welding trailer. Now you see how that junk is leaning, y'all? Let me get a good look. See how that's leaning? That jack is only rated for 2,000 pounds, so I'm gonna put a jack on the opposite side right there. I got a jack from Harbor Freight, same 2,000 pounds, so I'll put one on each side to make it even. So y'all stay tuned for that, and then we'll see how that roll out. Be right back. All right, guys, what's up? It's the welding machine, and again with this video, trailer jack. I'm gonna have to add one to the other side of this trailer because I found out how much the trailer weighs. It weighs a whole lot more than I thought. So I end up getting another trailer jack, and it's a little bit different from the other one. So I mean, it's not too bad.
Alright guys, so pretty much right here what I'm doing is lining up, making sure both trailer jacks are even, and pretty much I'm fitting it up, putting it on, making sure that everything's even. The trailer is only about 2,500 pounds. One trailer jack wasn't enough. It leans to one side, so I could have put one in the middle, but at the time I didn't think about it. And right now what I'm about to do is I gotta blow a hole through it for the locking mechanism on the trailer jack so I can flip it to the side. And yeah, just stay tuned. About to blow out a couple of holes and get everything lined up. And also, guys, like I said before, when you get ready to weld, make sure you clean up the metal the best you can, get it nice and shiny so you can get more of a better penetration. Yeah, you can weld over rust, but if you wanted to ensure that you get more better penetration, clean the metal to where it's shiny or like brand new. And you can wipe it down with acetone and stuff, but I mean, as far as with stick welding in 7018, I mean, it's gonna get in there. So
all that crap. Gonna put it on, see what it look like. Perfect. Perfect. Gonna pull the pin. Perfect. Everything looked like it worked. Weld's nice and pretty looking. So, thank y'all for tuning in. Be right back. What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you to all my subscribers. Don't forget, if you guys are new, check out the plasma cutting video, the Harbor Freight welder, and tips and tricks on how to start a business, and more videos coming soon. But thanks, guys.